Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about our recruiters regular challenge, wherein they are much more engaged with many more activities on daily basis, in which they are coordinating, they are screening, they are shortlisting, they are storing data, they are uploading details, they are talking to multiple candidates, they are getting a lot of calls from multiple applicants. They do share the details with the interview panel, they coordinate with the interview panels, conduct the interview process, then they update, and the communication back and forth continues. And because of these, a lot of work on one specific recruiter. Sometimes our recruiters get confused, and they basically forget some basic things. And they, because of these kind of things that they usually miss, they get a lot of escalation from the management. Hey, why the things are not going the way that we expect, why the screening is not good, or something like that. It's not like that somebody is like forcefully asking you or something like that. It's a human nature. When they are engaged with multiple things, they tend to use or tend to forget things. But how we can use AI to help us to avoid these kind of things, so that we can majorly focus on the task efficiency, so that we will not skip any basic things. We will make sure that we are giving quality resumes, and we are arranging the best interviews, best applicant for the interviews with the panel or the panel committee for the interview process. So I will explain you some of the basic strategy that can help you a lot when you are working on multiple positions, or when you sometime work on multiple clients. It's better to use AI. This will help you a lot in making sure that you are not skipping some of the basic things. How we can use it, I will give you a basic understanding. This is a basic understanding. We will go to the next level as well, but today we will understand some of the basic things, so that you can understand how you can get the support of AI to make sure your screening process is best, and it will not forget some of the important parameters, even in the variety of position or in the variety of clients. Like, right, so the first step to get the support from AI is to, you can open any AI. It can be Chat GPT, it can be Copilot, it can be Perplexity, or it can be Gemini. It's all up to you which one AI you want to use. Now, once you will come over here, then you have to train the AI on some of the basic components. For an example, we are working on a profile of sales development representative, right? And we have to train this you can say AI to screen the resume on some of the basic things, and make sure it keep on reminding me on some of the key points, so that we will not forget to consider those things before sharing it with the interview panel or the panel committee for the final interview process. Let's start with the training the AI. So we will start with, I am training you on the task in which you need to make sure you make sure the resume I am sharing with you have all the listed capabilities. If the information is not available, then make sure to remind me or ask me to arrange the information from the applicant, so that we can shortlist the best applicant for the job based on the below mentioned criteria. So the first is, person should have an experience in international sales. Person must be carrying experience in international sales in IT. You can say information technology, or software sales, SaaS product sales, or any IT product or IT services sales. Make sure the applicant has total 3 4 years of experience. Make sure the applicant does not have any career gap in past 6 months. She should be graduate. She should be ready to work in night shifts. She should not have any sort of You can say, um, we can just include she should we can just include these kind of things, or you can add many things. In case you screen a resume and found anything which is missing then please ask me so that I can arrange the information from applicant and then provide you. And once you have the answers of all these questions, then only consider this applicant as shortlisted. Okay, so if in case you will just do these kind of criteria, you can add as many criterias here. Or sometime when you are not aware about any kind of language, when you are not aware about any kind of technology, you are not aware how you can figure out things that can help you in basically making sure that you are, because sometimes let's take an example of a medical scribe. You're not aware what is medical scribe, so you can just write upfrontly here, or sometimes Java J2EE or React or Flutter or full stack, whatever technology that you want to make sure the AI can screen it, then it can automatically screen it and help you. So you can add as many criterias here. It's all depend upon you. So once you give these kind of prompt, you can just simply give an enter into this. So the moment you will add in this, then it will give you, yes, I understand task and rules, and clearly I'll follow the exact process every time you share a resume. So international sales experience, most clearly mention international, global, US, UK, all this kind of stuff, total experience, these all kind of things that it will learn, right? Let's take an example that we forgot to add one more criteria. Okay, um, uh, I'll prefer this response, so that AI can understand that you're choosing this. Then also add one more criteria, that the applicant must have an experience working must have an experience in US sales and marketing, right? You can give as many prompts the way that you want to do it. And now because this AI is almost ready and that you can deploy it anywhere, so you can just give a resume to it, and it will give you a better screening process so that you can better understand whether you have included, or whether you have maintained all kind of standards while shortlisting a candidate, right? So now because this AI is almost trained, this is the simple process to train an AI. We will take an example that we have one resume that we got from one of our team member. So she had shared this resume. We will take it as like this, right? And the moment we have taken this, then we will just simply upload the resume here. Now this AI will understand the entire parameters and all this kind of thing. Whatever informations are missing in this, it will ask for us. Okay, it is now reading the resume. Yes, unclear, US marketing, sales and all. Yes, need validation, need confirmation, ready to work in US shifts. Now it had given you the information that you need to arrange from the applicant, right? So the moment you got to understand, okay, so once you got the information from the applicant, or you will make a call to the applicant and then discuss these kind of points, then you can ask him, okay, yes, he has the sales experience in US market. Second, total experience is of 6 years. No career gap in last 6 months, right? And anything else? Yes, he is okay, ready to work in night shift. So the moment you will just provide this information, now it will give you a proper authentic reply that these are the parameters are confirmed. So the moment you this candidate had this all these kind of things. So similarly, you can save this prompt here. It is like a prompt, so you can do one thing. You can just rename this prompt. For an example, this is a sales development screening, right? So you can write this way, so you can save this here. So the basic process is like, you have now sales development screening AI chatbot that will help you to screen the resume. And if in case anything is missing in that resume, or you need to arrange the information from the applicant, you can simply go and ask from the applicant and arrange it. And this way you will never face any kind of challenge, and you will never get escalation from your senior management